You have to pay $67 to access this video. What? Who said that? Who's in their right mind gatekeeping knowledge? Anyways, Sevi here, and we're gonna be learning SketchUp, the free version. You heard me right.
Sevi.
The SketchUp Web is the free version of SketchUp you can use for your 3D explorations. Although it has its own limitations, it's actually a real good tool to start up with. No installation, no subscription, just sign up and you can start learning. Just a heads up, the free version of SketchUp Web is for personal, non-commercial use only. So I'm also excluding my monetization links for this series. To access SketchUp on your browser, you can look up SketchUp Web or type in this link, which I'll include in the description. Now, the first time you open it, it will take time. And I mean a long time. So, be patient. After that, you can sign up or sign in as you usually would in any user-based website. I usually save my password so I don't need to do all that over and over again, but that's up to you. The first page you'll see is the home page where you can find your projects or create a new project. So go ahead and get it started. When you open your new project, you'll see a default person already in the scene. You can go ahead and select by left-clicking on the object. If you wanted to see an object from a different angle, you can orbit by holding down your middle mouse button and drag. And if you want to move your camera around, you can hold down Shift plus middle mouse button before dragging to pan. To start making a line, you can activate the line tool by clicking the L key or the pencil tool on the side toolbar. And to go back to selection tool, you can hit the space key or the cursor arrow icon on the side. You can activate the rectangle tool with the R key and make an easier square. Then to move around your object, you can hit M to activate the move tool. You can move them around freely or lock it in an axis using the arrow keys. Then to rotate an object, you can activate the tool with Q. Snap the axis you want to start from and rotate to your heart's content. Now, you can make these 2D rectangles into 3D with the push and pull tool using the P key or the plane with up arrow icon here, then pull or push it as you need. If you want to scale an object or a component, you can use the scale tool with the S key. You can use Control before clicking the final transformation in place to toggle between freeform and uniform scale. Want to make a cylinder column in the middle of your box? Use the C key for a circle tool. What? You want a half circle instead? Use the A key for the arc tool. Click on the 2 points and bam! Arc. Want to make an easy wall thickness? No problem. Use F key for the offset tool. Play around with it. You can make this half circle wall as tall as the box. Just snap the axis and snap the height to the point of the face of the object you want to match. Now your weird 3D object exploration is done, but it's lacking something. I know. Try clicking on your B key and we can color our grand creation with colors and materials. Do you want to know how grand your creation is? Measure it with a tape measure. But Sevi, it's a digital model. How can I use tape measure? Duh, click T and use the tape measuring tool. And hover, you can see the size of the object, or you can look at the bottom right corner here for the sizing. What's handy about this is you can make exact sizing by typing the size you desire between the first point and end point clicks. For decimals, use period instead of commas, since the software separates sizing sites with commas. You can use points for guides. Just hold a little longer on points or edges and slowly drag your cursor while paying attention to the dashed line. You can snap your points to the endpoints, midpoints, edges, and faces. When you started up your SketchUp Web, by default, it'll use inches and feet. To change this, you can go to Settings, General, Regional, and change the default template into whatever you want. Decimal meter for me. And that's practically the basics to function SketchUp Web. Now you can go around and try to play around with each function and make your very first creation. See you in the next one. Bye bye.